This here is a raft, which if you look, I've gnawed a lot of the roots off. I tilted this into a pot and wired all the branches up in one direction. So this is one plant, and I've been slowly, as it's started to root along the trunk, nibbling away at the original root system, and eventually you won't even know that this ever had a root system down here. So you can imagine this in a quart-sized pot standing like that. And then this is an example of one in refinement. I did this raft, I started this from a cutting in 2005, laid it down in probably 2010, and by 2018 it was on display at a show. So you always need to be starting new things though in order to stay interested and to, you know, keep the energy and creativity flow going.